Shalom, shalom. What's going on, fellas? Wait for these people to get in, join this podcast. Shalom, shalom. What's going on, fellas? What's going on, fellas? Just waiting for some people to join. You know what I'm saying? Well, no, can anybody hear? You know what I mean? About to go in. Title of this video, you already see it. Child support is feeding off of your sensitivity. Child support is feeding off of your sensitivity. We got 2 watching. Okay. Let me tell y'all something. It can be 2 people. Normally it's 2 people that are adults in the relationship, right? But you're supposed to be the number 1 adult in this relationship. And you can't be sensitive at all. Okay? Shalom, Mr. Blue. Classified, restricted. What's going on? I see you. But shit, we're going to get in. We're going to wait till everybody, the stragglers going to come in. But anyway, let me go in a little bit more. This child support is causing, they are using your image, your child's image, and using your child as a fucking scapegoat. What up, Cody GT50? You know what I mean? And they say, hey, we coming for the interest of your child. Did you ask these niggas to speak on the behalf of your children? No, you did not. You did not. Okay? And they playing off your emotions. They have you saying, man, and then you get to thinking like, man, I wish I could see my child. Man, I love my child. I should pay $800, $600 to him. And then you get the niggas in the background on the sideline talking about, man, fuck you, I pay that child support, man. You want to see your child? And you got a lot of these hoes ain't letting these brothers see their children. So they going to play off your sensitivity, try to make you feel bad in here. Man, I got to go pay. You know what I mean? Think about that. What's up, Vega Lee? You know what I mean? Just think about that. They playing off your motherfucking sensitivity for your child because they know you love your child more than she do. She just using that child for you to give her some money. And that's what I tell y'all. If the state wants her and your children, and you done did everything you could do, you know what I mean? Let the state have that problem. Fellas, there's so many ways you can make money. It's ridiculous. You don't need, you know what I mean? I'm gonna give you the game. Moses ain't stay around his children. Him and Aaron went to go fight spiritual wars and wars out here for 20 years. They left home and came back. And you ain't supposed to be up under your child 24/7. We supposed to be out here building. What's up, JC? We supposed to be up here building, fellas. You supposed to be building. You know what I mean? You can get off this this so-called child support plantation. It's not a plantation. It's really their business to try to get mad because they lazy. You're taking care of lazy people. You're taking care of her stinking ass, and you taking care of the people in the state punk ass. You know what I mean? So you got two traitors. You know what I mean? They traitors. What's up, man? Daniel. So they playing off your they playing off your sensitivity to make you pay. Fellas, get rid of them people who, man, go pay that child support. You know, forget them dumb people. And especially when you go and you tell these people talking about, man, I'm gonna get off of child support. And what they say, they try to put that juju shit on you and throw you back into the crab's barrel, the barrels. You know what I'm talking about, the crabs syndrome. When you trying to get up out of there, you got this other nigga pulling you down and shit. Fellas, you can beat child support. Stop letting these people play on your motherfucking sensitivity. I'm finna go through some things right now. Number one, no child is going to suffer. Your child ain't gonna suffer just because you ain't up under her and them 24/7. Right? Your children ain't gonna suffer because you ain't paying $800 a month. Number two, she has kinfolk. I don't know why the hoes always going to go get some goddamn daycare, right? And you got some of these immigrants over here, right? You got some of these immigrants, right, coming over here. Why do you think these immigrants coming over here? You got some of these old women coming over here. You can use them as nannies for the load. So what I'm saying is y'all paying too much money. Fellas, those are your children. You gave her the gift. She ain't give you shit. But now she want to try to charge you for some shit. You know what I mean? That God ordained her to take care of. What's going on, bro? Ghost 517. Well, we finna get live. Like, I'm gonna talk about these dirty women, you know what I mean? About how y'all seeding your inheritance. Child support, this child support war was made for this bitch to be disobedient so your bloodline won't carry on. You see what I mean? This is what it's all about, destroying your inheritance. Destroying your inheritance. What's up, Brother Richardson? You know what I mean? Hey, number three, being sensitive, fellas, that shit'll make you poor. If you being sensitive behind your child, always worried about your child and shit like that, knowing that she fine, your children are fine with their mammy. Like mine. Let me speak on my shit. I'm gonna speak on my shit where y'all feel better. I moved to Texas for my first baby mama, you know what I mean? Hey, I said, shit, I'm gonna do the right thing. And I did this at a young age, at 24. I said, I'm gonna do the right thing, come down here, you know what I mean? Help y'all, shalom, brother, help y'all, put you in give you a place to stay, you know what I mean? Then she seen all that. I was a good dude. She tried to start punking the nigga and shit. She tried to punk me with her and her brothers and shit. You know what I mean? Then I said, you know what? This shit ain't working. Fuck it. I ain't finna do all that. I left from being a bachelor, try to be a family man, and look what happened. Being nice. That nice shit, and I got in my feelings, oh man, I'm gonna take care of these children, oh man, you know, I'm gonna do the right thing. Nigga, she laughed at that shit. Now she got us some more dick over there, happy, you know what I mean? Not necessarily happy, because she was still coming after me, thinking I'm gonna give her some money. So she got a new nigga around my child, I'm gonna make that bitch ass nigga take care of you. You want to have the benefit of being around my child, so you're gonna take care of him. You know what I mean? Real talk, fellas. And fellas, I'm telling y'all can make you another family. If she don't want you to be around your child, there's some women out here love your stinky, dirty ass draws. You hear me? She will love you and pick up after you. If you turn your back on them, because I'm gonna tell you something. Once she go down to the state and put you on child support, that ain't your family no more. You hear me? That is not your family no more. When she runs down there to them people and them other hurtful hoes, that ain't your family no more. That is not. And it ain't no reason to go into court talking about challenging jurisdiction when they already get the See, let me tell you something about this jurisdiction shit. You got to break down these words. Jurisdiction is 2 words. You got to find out what juris mean and addiction mean. Addiction is what I'm speaking, and I'm holding this juris because I'm holding this law on that ass. So it's whoever can speak the law. That's what jurisdiction means, speaking the law. What law can you find on these motherfuckers who fucking over you? And if you think I'm lying, go look it up. Fellas, you be the author of your life. Look, when you tell a motherfucker no, thank you, you just took all their power away from them. No, thank you. No, thank you. You know what I mean? Fellas, I was doing the same shit y'all was doing. I tried to do that shit for a year. Shit did not work out. Hell no. I went there. I told them folks in the court, look here, man. If you want me to take care of my daughter, give them here. I take care of them. Other than that, we ain't got no deal. You know what I mean? And I told them straight up, and they ain't want to hear that. I said, well, shit, I ain't giving you nothing. I ain't giving you shit. And I'm about to walk out. Man, get that dude. Lock him up. Yeah. And they ain't locked me up because of that. They throw a false charge on the nigga for resisting arrest. Go look it up. We got a pussy ass nigga put my shit up, but he wouldn't tell me what I went to jail for. Nigga, I went to jail for resisting arrest. I sat in that bitch. I said, when I get out this motherfucker, it's gonna be hell to pay with. And they paying, I'm giving these motherfuckers hell right now. Sham Stoppers, we giving them hell. What's up? Because we got a lot of guys off of child support. I don't pay child support. For what? For what? What am I paying for? What are you paying for? That's what y'all gotta ask. You can get a refund back. Okay, so you say you want me to obey this order. Okay, cool. I get to see my child on this day, such and such. Cool. And if she ain't coming to if she ain't fulfilling that order, the contract, nigga, that's a breach of contract. That's a wrap. You can tell, man, fuck you. I ain't seen my child. Hell no, I'm not giving you no money. What's up? The woman don't, when she goes down there and she gives up your information to them people, dude, it's over with. She is your enemy, dude. And they try to use your sensitivity through that child to pull you back in instead of you using your man state and your nature saying, man, you know what? No, it's your gut, fellas. Trust your gut. Trust your gut. You know what I mean? Stop fighting with that woman. Ignore them people. You know what I mean? Ignore them. Ignore them. Don't even argue with them. Like, man, look, I'm not getting no benefit from this shit. She don't get her license suspended. Hell, I got stories where bitches don't even show up in court and they still win. Because I'm gonna tell you something. A woman is a child. That's what they means, child support. So the state wants you to take care of her old childish ass. Right? Don't that make sense? Think about that. You know what I mean? All y'all, if y'all dealing with y'all can get out child support, y'all can defeat child support. We got guys that don't pay child support no more. You know what I mean? They don't pay no more. We got guys that my freedom is my vacation. He got his motherfucking passport. You know what I mean? He got his passport. Let me keep going. Number 4. Your children are not suffering when you was not spending $800 on them. Fellas, your children ain't suffering right now because you know your baby mama ain't getting all that money. It only costs $61 a month to feed a child. I'm going to tell you how I know. Let me tell you how I know it costs $61 to feed a child, because when my daughter was coming over here, she didn't even eat that much. She ate like a little bird. And she was 9 years old. Am I right? Am I right, Joseph? Children don't eat that much. You can go to Walmart, and then too with the clothes form, you can go and buy them some clothes on Walmart. Fellas, my mom, look, I done had a designer shit growing up. We didn't go out to eat when I was coming up. I used to say, hey, when we used to pass by Burger King, Burger King used to be the shit back in the day. So when we used to pass Burger King, my dad and my mom, I said, hey man, my mom, we want some Burger King. Yeah, we finna go get some Burger King at the grocery store. We finna go make you a hamburger. We gonna make it look like Burger King and everything, and y'all gonna be full tonight. But your baby mama going feeding your children Tostinos pizzas and shit, frozen dinners and shit. And all that shit adds up, man. Going out to eat, buying Pizza Hut, Domino's all night long. Ordering out to eat and shit. Forget that. And I'm gonna tell you something. These women don't care about these children's teeth. Right? They don't care about them, man. Let me keep going on. Let me go to number 5. What child needs $800 a month? Now I can see, look, I can see $200 $200 a month. You know what I mean? But what child needs $800 a month, man? Can y'all hit me up? Let me know. Let me know, man. Hit that like button. Yeah, man. Hit the like button. Go 517. How many children need $800? No, your baby mama needs $800 a month so you can buy her some Chanel, some goddamn she needs some Chanel, she need a purse, she needs some makeup. All your child support money is going, most of it is going to the state, and then it's going to her child's ass because the state know she ain't responsible when spending money because she came down there to go ask for some money in your name, and she gonna put you as a co-signer. And I'm gonna hit you with some game, fellas. You ready for this? Check this out. Now, when you get cable, right? They give you a choice. Hey, you can put somebody on an account. Do you put your baby mama somebody name on an account without calling them and asking them, hey, I'm about to put your name on this cable bill? That's what child support is, my nigga. She can't put you and co-sign you up as surety for her. Fuck up. And you already gave her the gift? Yeah, and like my brother down here said, she needs a place to stay. Bitch, that's personal. That's personal. That sounds like a personal problem. She needs a place to stay. Now, you ain't going to stay here with me. Give me my child. You know what I mean? You got a place to stay. You need to pay. Look, like this Me Too movement, fellas, y'all need to be praising this Me Too movement. I love this Me Too movement. Hey, they saying stay pussy, they body. Okay then, bitch, it's your bills too. Okay? You pay your goddamn bills. Pay your shit. Pay it. Pay up. Pay up, fellas. Look, y'all make her pay. I'm telling you, get all your money back, fellas. You can get all your money back. Peace, 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 brother. Y'all can get all y'all money back from this child support shit. Man, I am not lying to you. I am not fucking lying. You know what I mean? I'm telling you. Y'all got to get it. Y'all got to reach down in your soul. Like, man, I'm pissed off. Man, what my goddamn? I ain't falling for all this old legal jargon bullshit y'all talking about. What my goddamn money is? No, I don't know what you're talking about. And if you lock me up, if I go to jail, I'm going to sue the shit out of you. You, and you. And I'm going after your surety bonds, goddamn me. Yeah, because I know you bonded with this damn job. Because at 5 o'clock, I know your ass got to go home. What's up, fellas? What's up? What's up? Shit. Let me hit number 6. Hey, y'all, stop being sensitive about not seeing your child. Stop doing that. Stop being sensitive about not seeing your child. Hey, when you think about your child, you know what you should do? You should go find another stream, another way of making money. It's so many ways y'all can make some money, man. It's so many ways. Dude, you can do dog stuff, kennels, breed some dogs, all types of shit, man. I'll cut some grass. What's up, man? Tax-free stuff, man. Y'all can get your money back. Check this out. This is a big one, which I'm going to speak for this on y'all. Bringing another nigga around y'all child. Don't that shit eat you up? And then she want to talk shit and ask you to give her some money? Don't that shit eat y'all up, fellas? When she got another nigga around the child, then you say, hey man, bring me my child to me. Bring me my child to me. Drop him off. Then she got another nigga in the car with her. Let me tell you something about my first baby mama. She had 3 children. And you know what I told my baby mama? I ain't got nothing to do with their dad. That's their dad. I ain't interfering with that. That's on y'all. I want no parts of that. I'm staying home. Go do your thing. I've been there with women with children, dude. I've been there, done that. That shit don't work. That shit don't work. Women now want a beta male to control, to get money out of. They trying to turn everybody into beta males. Fellas, don't fall for it. I hope y'all enjoying this. You know what I mean? I hope y'all sitting up here having y'all a nice, fuck the bill. Get y'all some liquor. Drink y'all some liquor, some brown liquor on this shit. You know what I mean? If y'all don't drink no brown liquor, get you something to medicate yourself. Take her energy away from her. Real talk. Don't let these people get you mad. Put your paperwork in. If you don't got to deal with us, hey man, go get some books. Go read some books, bro. Because I'm telling you, all your problems inside a book, not the internet. I know y'all got a fat joint, man. I'm telling you, everything you want to know is in the book, man. Real talk. Go with niggas ain't going. Go with these niggas ain't going. You know what I mean? Already. Real talk, man. Y'all can get y'all money back. You can throw her ass in jail. Nigga, you can throw her in jail from all the days you can count all the days you ain't seen your child. Man, count all the days right now after this podcast. Count all the days you ain't seen your child. Calculate that shit up. You know what I mean? Go read that shit. Go read their little bullshit. Throw it back in their face. And if they don't want to abide by it, hey man, sue the shit out of them. Because I'm gonna tell you something. These people in the public working these public sector jobs, they want an image. And they want to feel like somebody because they got their dog tag. You know what I mean? Oh, he gonna pay child support. Nah, bitch, you gonna pay. I'm gonna sue the shit out of you. That's what I'm gonna do to you. I'm gonna make you out of Zam. I'm gonna embarrass you on your job. And put it like this: we made some people quit their jobs at the child support office. Oh man, he put our name in that paperwork. Now I don't want no parts of that shit. What's up, fellas? Man, I'm glad to see y'all in here, man. I'm glad to see y'all in here. We finna have some fun. We finna have some goddamn fun, man. I'm gonna put some brothers in here, but I'm gonna keep going on. Cause I know I'm going back and forth, you know. But I'm gonna get on this jurisdiction thing. I like this jurisdiction shit. Jurisdiction, man, that's law and addiction speaking. Because at the end of a funeral, what do the preacher do? I'm finna speak the benediction. Jurisdiction. You have to break these words down. See, I'm not no regurgitator. I go reading these books. Because I'm gonna tell you something. When I was going to school for paralegal, you know the lawyer told me a good jurist. He was a jurist doc. He got police off of shit because police, a lot of them can't read. You know what I mean? You got a very few that's smart, and the police chief and them people up there in rank, they smart. But check this out. He told me, he said, look, man, I don't care if you're going to school to be a lawyer. I don't care if you're going to be a paralegal. But nigga, if you don't read these books, that shit means nothing. Nothing at all. Because I'm going to tell you what these women doing. These women getting these books and they using this shit on y'all and they playing off these children. They're using the children off you being ignorant of the law. And I mean not ignorant because you dumb and stupid. It's because you're ignoring what's going on. So that's why. I hear you. They made you walk. You made one of them walk off their job. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, nigga. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Make them walk off their job. Like, I'm gonna tell you, I had one brother upstate. He went in and turned some paperwork, and he said this old beta male got so mad because he said it ain't my case and jumped in his face and shit. I'm like, for real? I said, yeah, it's not your case, it's her case because she in the agency is suing you, which makes a class action lawsuit. So you got her and the agency teaming up on, then you got the police, the sheriff's teaming up on you. Man, that's a class action lawsuit. Man, I ain't gonna tell you that. You know what I mean? Real talk. I whooped my baby mama's ass in court, got her nigga hot. He got so mad, he paying child support. Like, man, this man getting away. No, nigga, I ain't finna give you no money, nigga. I don't know you. You ain't over here sucking on this dick, nigga. And I ain't no fag or punk either, but you ain't finna do that to me either. No, you your bitch. She your bitch now. She your property now. So you take care of her. And if you want my child, you pay for her too. Because you know what? I got some balls, some more cum in my balls. I can make me another baby, bitch. What's up? What's up? Y'all can make y'all some more. Make y'all some more babies, goddammit. Make you some more babies. Cut that other old shit off. Let the state have that problem. You know what I mean? People telling you, talking about, oh, he having all these babies. Nigga, look, I don't give a shit if y'all having 8 or 9 kids, goddammit. Flourish this motherfucking country with your seed, goddammit. Get some men Musa. Give me some man Musa niggas on here. What's up? What's up? Yeah, because once you start having babies, your baby mama starts seeing you having babies by other women. Oh, she gonna get mad because your baby mama's a cow. And what happens to milk comes from a cow? That shit spoils, right? Well, here's the thing. Her life is cut off. She can't have babies at a certain age, but you can have these babies, dude. If Michael Jordan can have babies at the age of 51 and y'all under 50, y'all go have you some babies, man. Go. Babies mean inheritance. And they want you to be sensitive about one child that you can't see. Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Get the fuck out of here. Then y'all have y'all some children. Shit. You know what I mean? All y'all should have more images of y'all. Because if you don't, y'all gonna have to deal with these punk ass niggas out here. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna hit y'all with something. Motherfucking police come your way, ask you some questions. Man, I don't talk to strangers, man. I don't talk to strangers. I don't talk to y'all, man. I don't know you. Would you say I was fighting for 4 cases for 14 years, and once I hit those books, I follow your lead back in 27, all my cases are closed. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, they want to control your population through your sensitivity. Real talk. Islam. Man, you're right. God made these bitches for us, man. God made these bitches for us. Fellas, all y'all, a woman's supposed to obey you at all times, no matter what. A woman supposed to obey you. And when y'all go to a woman judge, y'all don't need to be respecting her, man, because the Bible said a woman don't have authority over a man, but somebody letting her play in the family court. You know what I mean? That shit ain't real, fellas. That family shit, that's all business. That's administrative bullshit. They worry about your balls. They here for you there for your dick and your balls. What's up? Me, I'm so cold. Hey, man, is my dick and my balls on trial? What's up? Y'all here because of me? You want some of this? What's up? What's up, family? What's going on? I mean, clan. You supposed to say clan. For real talk, man. Don't respect none of them. Don't respect none of them. Okay, God told us to be fruitful. Yeah, y'all supposed to be fruitful, fellas. But they playing off your sensitivity with one child. One child. Y'all can beat this child support, man. But hey, I'm finna open up these lines. I'm finna do some invite. You know what I mean? Let me invite let me see. Hold on a second. I want to hear some people talk, man. I want to hear some people go in. Hold up a second. I got somebody coming in. Let me see. Let me get JC in. Let me see. What's up, my brother?
Peace, peace.
We on the topic. Child support is feeding off your sensitivity. What's up?
Are we on?
MGTOW, what's up? Men going their own way. What's up, man?
Who else on here?
Man, we got a bunch of brothers. We got 20 people in.
Oh,
I invited JC.
yeah.
Um, there he is.
You hear me?
Man, I'm gonna let y'all have the floor a little bit. I'm finna just sit back and let y'all have it. Talk about this sensitivity, how they playing off your child. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So what's your take on it? What you think?
Who we got on here right now?
JC.
JC, what's up, brother?
What's up, my brother?
Yeah,
How's
I'll be
everybody
seeing
doing
you.
tonight?
Oh, everybody's good, brother. I'll be seeing you in the comments, man.
Yeah, man.
So what is your take on this system we got going on here?
The system is designed to help those who are incompetent and incapacitated.
Right, right. Basically, man, what it is it's a deception. In order for it to work, they got to get some weak-minded individuals in order for it to work.
Billy Collins, what's up?
Yes, sir.
So the thing is, I've seen over and over how artfully these demons act in like taking control of people's thoughts so they don't be thinking about what's going on. So basically, they put on a big front that have you argue with your baby mama, and what they'll do is they'll let her they will let her lie because they know it will upset you, and you'll respond back with your emotions. And while y'all doing the little back and forth thing, they
You put the mute button. You hit your mute button.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Hold on.
Hold on. You there?
Give her.
Yeah, I hit the mute button.
He'll come back.
Okay.
Yeah, but anyway, let's say all the people that work for the state family court need to be taken out and hung by the nigga. Oh man. Oh man, don't do them like that, bro. You know what I mean? We ain't trying to do them like that. They ain't worth it, man. They not even worth. These people ain't even worth the rope or you buying and hang them up on. You know what I mean? They not worth it. You know what I mean? They just broke and they want you to pay for their expenses and shit because they lazy. Child support is a lazy bitch's hustle. Shit. You know what I mean? Child support is a lazy bitch's hustle. Real talk.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
waiting on
sir.
the giver to
That
get.
is true.
It's a lazy bitch's broke hustle, fellas. Real talk. And they playing off the children. Every bitch is playing off these children. And then we got this man, Brother Richard said his baby mama works for the goddamn agency. Come on, man. Hold on, let me get Gibber back in. Let me. Yeah, he said give him a sec. But anyway, fellas. Hold on. But yeah, like Gibber was saying, they want to use the child to get you on your emotions and shit, bro. It's all family law ain't nothing but emotional shit, dog. That's all it is. It's emotional court. Bunch of PMS going around that bitch. You know what I mean? Bitches on their period, and they thinking with their period, and you know, and really they think about their bills not being paid, so they want you to feel guilty so you can pay their bills. That's all child support is. You know what I mean? Real talk. I'm gonna tell you how you make this system. I'm gonna tell you how Sham stopped to show y'all how to make this system crumble. You don't know how to make this child support shit crumble? Stop paying the shit. That's how you make the shit crumble, goddamn it. Stop paying these hoes. Shit. If you don't pay it, they don't have nothing. You know what I mean? Shit. If you don't pay child support, the system falls. Y'all ain't gonna have no worry about nothing no more. If you do stop paying child support, find you different streams of income and start suing the shit out of these bastards. Hey man, that's it. The system could come quicker if niggas stop being scared and fight back, but it's going down slowly but surely. I hear you, Vega Lee. Shit. Real talk. Real talk. I say stop paying the bitch. I'm not gonna play with her. I ain't got shit to give you but a dick and a smile. I don't want to give you that. You know what I mean? You ain't gotta give these bras no money, man. Y'all stop breaking y'all back, giving these hoes money, and then you got a person up there calling themselves a judge in a family court. Man, get the hell out of here, man. Shit. People crazy, man. Want to give off your money, your energy off of deception, deceit. Fellas, we all had babies by Delilah, okay? We all had babies by Delilah. We loved them so much. A woman can't love. You got to teach her how to love. She not here to love. She here to do. And you got people saying that, hey, man, that dude over there, he a male chauvinist. Yeah, I am a male chauvinist, God damn it. Do they do this shit over there in China? Huh? Do they do this shit over there in North Korea? Huh? No, this country is the only country that let bitches get away with murder. This is the only country that let bitches get away with murder. And from everybody in this live chat, I know all y'all done had plenty of pussy. So that's why y'all don't care. I don't care because I had plenty of it. Because it all feel the same. Right?
Yes, sir.
Come on now. This is about money, fellas. The sensitivity. They trying to get you sensitive to make you go work hard to give you some money, give them some money. This is all about money. The FRN notes, these fiat notes. That's all it's about. Who can deceive who and trick who out of their inheritance? That's what it's all about. And they get the niggas who the niggas put like this. They get the Caucasians, they get the brothers, and they get the Hispanics. You know what I mean? They get the whites, the blacks, the browns, whatever you want to say. They get you. Now you don't see Ishmael and them at the goddamn at the corner store, do he pay child support? Hell no, because he gonna cut that bitch head off. Do you see these Asian dudes paying child support? Hell no, because he gonna cut that bitch head off. Right? You know Tommy Chin and Tommy Lynn are gonna put some karate on that bitch and hit her ass with a ninja scar. God damn it. You know what I mean? Shit. Ninjas can kill samurais. They gonna come in the night and cut that bitch neck. But you know what? They'll get us, the Hispanics, and the white man
No.
to pay this child support shit. You know what I mean? Fellas, this country is falling apart off of your sensitivity about this child support shit. You know what I mean? Real talk. JC, you have to mute your mic. JC. Yeah, hello? Yeah. Yeah, fellas. Some wetter than others, laugh out loud, but yep, it's all the same. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, fellas. They want to play off your emotions. You know what I mean? Your sensitivity. See how sensitive you is about your child. No. Don't let them do that. Yeah. How many men that kill themselves each year? And you know what? I stopped at least about 7 guys from killing themselves. Real talk. I stopped 7 guys from killing themselves behind this child support shit. Real talk. I said, man, what you killing yourself for, man? Because when your children get old, they're going to come looking for you. When they get out of high school, they're going to come looking for you. Because they're going to be tired and sick and tired of their mama. You almost did it? Nah, bro, it ain't worth it. Killing yourself ain't worth it, bro. Everybody in this room, y'all are the prize. Not her. She is not the prize. You know what I mean? A woman is not the prize. No, you're the prize. You got to choose the prize that's going to carry on your seed. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. What is it? CS is the main financial resource in damn near every county. The clerk is behind it all. Yeah, the clerk is behind it all. That clerk. You know why the clerk behind it all? I'm going to tell you why the clerk is behind it all. They feeding off your fears, exactly. And not only that, the clerk, that's how you know it's a business, because when you go into a business, what do they have? They have a clerk with the cash register and shit, right? It's the same shit, fellas. It's the same fucking shit. You know what I mean? Real talk. So, hey, man, thank y'all for showing up, man. They feeding off your fears, though, like my brother said down here. They feeding off your fears. They feeding off y'all fears. Because what you fear what you don't know. And you got to go read it, because I'm going to tell y'all something. The internet ain't going to show you everything. The internet is not going to show you everything. It's not going to show you everything, the internet. So you got to go shopping, fellas. You got to go shopping for these books. You got to do your due diligence. You know what I mean? Y'all got to study, man. You know, like I tell people, if you don't want our services, man, you can go read a book, bro. You can save time and all that. You know, you can save time and all that. What they say, and the county manager who signed the contract with the attorney general. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Real talk. Real fucking talk, man. Hold on, I'm gonna invite one Dark Raven. Yeah, what's up, JC?
Hold up, man.
Oh man, you're gonna have to take that off.
Yeah, the fucking train, bro. Give me a second. Let me get this off.
Yeah. Let's see, check your signatures on the paperwork. Date stamps, right. What book we need to buy? Man, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Bro, go to the law library, bro. Go to the law library. Go to the library, bro. Civil, all that shit. Check all that shit out. Go to the law library and you'll have it. Hold on. Yeah, you on mute, JC. Let me see. I wasn't demanding a copy of the contract and the people that act like I shot them in the foot. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Look at my man. First, y'all have to believe by any means you will get yourself out of the situation. It starts mentally first. That's what I'm talking about. It starts mentally. JC, you muted yourself, bro. But all this shit is mental, bro. Look up the clerk duties, sufficient paperwork standards, etc. Yep. 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 You know what I mean? What's up, fellas? What's up? Y'all stop paying child support. That shit ain't gonna work no more. And I'm gonna tell you something. And I ain't never say stop taking care of your children. Did I say that? I did not say that. See, that's what I'm talking about. Fourth Amendment violation. You goddamn right. You study that contract law, you goddamn right. Y'all gotta study all this shit, man. Dude, there's so many ways to beat these people, bro. This shit's so easy. It's too easy for me. I don't even need no paperwork. I don't need none of that shit. Exactly. Stop getting robbed. I don't need no paperwork. I tell a motherfucker, nah, no thank you. Nope. No, sir. I'm good. The 4th, the 5th, the 14th, also the state constitution. Yeah. Hey, man, your state, some states say, hey, you shall not be in prison for a debt. I know here in Texas it says you shall not be in prison for a debt. And Texas says that. You know what I mean? Texas says that. No one should be in prison for a debt in the state of Texas. But you know what's so funny about that? They ain't gonna put these hoes in jail because they know they sorry. They can't pay their own bills. Women can't pay. A lot of women can't pay their own bills, bro. Say Article 1, Section 8. I think it's Article 1, Section 18. Or are you talking about the United States Constitution? Okay. I think it's Article 1, Section 18, I think. Somewhere around there. You know what I mean? Hold on, JC. I gotta. Let me see. I can't get you back. Let me see. I'm gonna have to, because I want to hear some people. You know what I mean? What y'all take on this shit, this sensitivity shit. You know. Hold on, let me see. Let me get Hardaway ass in here. If he in here. I invited some people, man. Yeah, man. You know, you gotta look. You gotta sue your child's mother. You gotta go after her. You gotta go after your child's mom. You got to go after her, man. Cause she did that shit. She put you on child support, bro. She put you on child support.
I should be on.
Yeah, you on now. So what's the deal, man? Tell these boys about your child support situation with the sister, with your baby mama doing.
With me, it's plain and simple. You know, uh, when we come to an agreement, somebody doesn't fulfill the agreement. That party basically doesn't get the benefit anymore. So at this point, you got to get my money back because uh, you know, I fulfilled my part of the agreement. You failed to meet your part. I'm talking about the baby mama when I say you. So now, hey, it's time to get my money back. That's the situation with it. And you said something earlier, for these guys as to why they're being reactive and why these people like basically brainwashing them, right? Uh, it's about what is it? It's about thinking about this, man. What is the penalty for treason? This woman betrayed you, right? If anybody knows, the penalty for treason is death. So when these people went over there, I'm talking about baby mama and the offspring, whatever. When they turn on you, they basically committed treason on you. So you don't go shoot yourself. It's an opportunity for you to start over. That's the way I look at it.
Right. Y'all fellas, y'all hear that? She committed treason on you, especially to your bloodline, fellas. And they use your child as a scapegoat.
Yes.
They
So
they're using your child as a scapegoat to get your money so you can throw away your shit from building for the children. Right?
yeah. So like I said, this is an opportunity. My granddad, he had a family with 5 different women. All right. I'm from the first family, but I've known a lot of half uncles and half cousins and whatnot. So fellas, you can always start over again. And like brother Wasil said earlier, the children, your offspring will come back later on because, if anybody's aware, there's always two, to every truth or to every saying, there's always two sides to it. You think you think your offspring are just gonna sit around and just take, the side of the baby mama? Oh, your dad abandoned you and all that stuff. No, they're gonna come and question it because they're gonna come to a point in life when they're gonna wanna know the other answers. Like right now, you're sitting here because you wanna know answers as to how to get rid of child support or how to get off of it or how to stop paying for child support, how to get your money back. You're seeking for answers. You don't think your offspring is gonna do that later on? So stop worrying about that right now. What you gotta be worrying about is about building, focusing on yourself and figuring out, what can you take out of this, take the opportunity, take advantage of it, and knowledge is power. So that's just my message to all of you. If you're thinking about why you're not beating child support, I'm gonna tell you why. If you're still hanging around with the baby mama, if you're still trying to save her, you're not gonna win child support. That's plain and simple. You're trying to basically raise the dead from the to come back alive. What I mean by that is like your baby mama is dead. The minute she went and put your name over there without your permission, she died. If you don't look at it that way, then you're not gonna be child support.
Now, my brother, tell everybody your nationality.
I'm a Mexican American, bro.
Awesome. Awesome. Now, you were supposed to be on child support, right?
since 2015. I haven't given a penny for 2 years. I don't have a warrant for my arrest. I get my licenses, passport, concealed carry license, all that stuff.
So you just got a fishing license last week, right?
I think it was 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
You got a fishing and you got your driver's license, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you was all client, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Y'all hear that? Real deal. Real deal, Holyfield. You know what I mean? So, fellas, get your life back. Take your life back. Sue your baby mama, sue these people. Show them that you ain't playing. You can stop paying child support. I'm telling you, you can start you a business. Get on YouTube, go see what somebody else doing, and try to make it better. Real talk. That's all you got to do. Go get in these books. Go get some business books. You know what I mean? It's always somebody. Look, check this out. If this country's so bankrupt, why people is trying to come over here right now to become a goddamn citizen? Ask that question. You know what I mean? Ask yourself that question. If this country's so bad, why is people trying to run their ass over here? Yeah, we live in the greatest, aka corporation / country on the planet. And don't you forget it, damn it. Okay? All y'all guys, not guys, excuse me. All y'all fellas are walking millionaires and don't even realize it. You don't even fucking realize it. The more you learn, the more you earn. Okay? The more you learn, the more you earn. The more you read, the more you succeed, baby. I'm not lying to you. Why would I lie? That's too much energy. It takes too much energy for me to tell you fellas a lie. I don't pay child support. I'm not on child support. And I'm willfully not paying child support. No, I'm not gonna pay for a woman who has all her legs and arms and fingers that's working, and they know I live at, and they know I'm here in Texas, and I told them to drop my children off, and we can do it. I take care of my children while they're here in my possession. You take care of your children while they're in your possession. Why we can't work like that? Huh? Fellas, you can't compromise with a child. When I said child support is measuring the tool to see how well agencies collect funds. Yep, it is not for the benefit of the custodial and child. Not paying child support does not violate an individual's fundamental rights. Right. Money facts. What's up? You welcome. You welcome for the knowledge, my brother. Let's get it. What's up? What's up? Free stones versus blessings. So look, y'all can whoop her with free stones versus blessings. She keep running down there trying to get an increase. Man, that money ain't for you. Free stone versus blessing. Y'all haven't heard free stone versus blessing? That's it. That's a wrap, fellas. You know what I mean? And this just a warm up for Sunday. We're gonna do this. Look, we're gonna do this. We're gonna start to do this every Sunday night. You know what I mean? Every Sunday night, so we'll have something on your mind. You know what I mean? Because I come out with 1,000 videos. Come out with 1,000 videos telling you 1,000 times you can be child support. You don't have to pay child support. Only an ignorant fool pays child support. Real talk. You know what I mean? So that's all I'm saying, man. Y'all can win this little skirmish. This ain't even a battle. This is a skirmish. Custodial parents is not the intended beneficiary. No. You gave her the gift. right? But again, like I said, they playing off your emotions. They playing off your emotions, playing off your fears to make you give them some money, fellas. Real talk. And I don't give my baby mama them a red fucking dime. And I'm not. And I don't have to. Because I'm going to tell you something. Is child support in the Bible? Huh? What chapter that says child support? Only thing I see in the Bible is woman don't have authority over man. So how a woman gonna get on the stand and call herself a judge and try to say she gonna order me to do something? And God, an Almighty Creator, ordered that a woman does not have authority over a man. Join the dark side, fellas. What's up? What's up? Hey,
And you know something, Wasil?
yeah,
The if you're afraid of getting arrested, of these women coming after you. When I say these women, I'm talking about the ones that they call themselves the judges, right? If you're afraid of them, just go back to the what is it? I think it's the Weller, or it wasn't Heller. It's Waller versus Washington D.C., where these women sued the cops because the cops didn't protect them and they lost. No duty to protect you. So the cops don't have a duty to protect these women. Why are you scared of people that have no duty to protect them? Think about that for a minute.
right. And fellas, he right. I'm gonna tell y'all something. Case law, you got a lot of people talking about almost 30 case law and all this. Let me hit you with something. You got to make case law. You got to make your own case law. You know what I mean? That somebody else's case, y'all probably had the same elements, but that's their case. You don't go in these courtrooms and have the case law battle against the lawyers, man, and they went to school and your ass didn't. You know what I mean? You gotta prove, hey, I'm gonna tell you something. Like my man said, they gonna get you off this fear shit. They gonna use intimidating shit. You know, they got the beta punk ass male, the bailiffs and shit. You know what I mean? King Kish in the goddamn building. What's popping, nigga? God damn. You know what I mean? It's on and popping. You know, like I said, fellas, you guys, we got to take this country back, fellas. Let's make America great again with us being on top. You know what I mean? What did we tell you? I'm finna hit y'all with something. Check this out. Income tax. Have y'all been seeing a lot of women getting income tax? Huh? Now you haven't. You want to know why? Brother Trump made it to increase to get paid on their job, so at the end of the year they won't be getting that much back for taxes.
That's awesome, man.
Hey, real talk. So look, that's why they coming after you. That's why they coming after you, because these women ain't got no more money. They can't go buy them Chanel purses now. Like, you ain't been seeing no paper tags running around here. And I'm gonna tell y'all something too. You ain't been seeing the what's them little tax places called? Is it Liberty Tax? Yeah, the dude spinning the signs outside with the Liberty Tax. Y'all ain't been seeing that, right? Hey, King, hey, he said her emotions are not an emergency, fellas. Her emotions is not an emergency. You fellas are going to make it. You know what I mean? It's not an emergency. It's not. Her feelings is not an. Hey, man. I wish I can battle these people for y'all, man, but unfortunately I can't do it. That's why I speak. That's why we speak the way you feel inside. Because I'm telling you something. If you never tried the way I'm speaking, then you will never know. You will never know, man. That nigga Kish was so cold. Check this out. Kish the coldest one of all us. I'm gonna tell you why. He ain't battle these motherfuckers. He went in there with a smile and said, "Nah, I'm good." And motherfuckers started slamming the door and shit. Real talk. Tell a person no. No, thank you. That's all you got to say. Because I'm going to tell y'all something. When her feelings and reality meet head on, oh man, that's a collision waiting to happen. You know what I mean? Well, let me tell you something. When a woman feel like she's saying, well, you judging me. No, I'm not judging you. I'm just telling you what God love about yourself, honey. You suck. Okay? You don't care about these children. You want a free ride for me. You want me to make you you want me to make your life comfortable. Am I right, fellas? Don't you want you to make her life comfortable? Child support is making the lazy, broke bitch life comfortable through deception. Make her not want to do something. I'm going to tell y'all something. Like Brother Kid say, we're going to look. I got a video going to come up called Pimps Are the Men of God. Pimps are men of God. Y'all remember that. Pimps are my heroes. Because a pimp ain't never, ever told a bitch to do wrong. He tell her, hey man, you got a choice. You can either be a pimp, you know what I mean? I mean, you can either get this money from me or you can go work a 9 to 5. You guys are paying for her to be comfortable and not giving her anything. Exactly. Okay, what's up? When you got divorced, I was not allowed in the courtroom. I was held outside the court by a cop. Wow. You want to know why they held you outside? Because they was going to tell you no, you weren't playing their little game. And I'm going to tell you something too. Alimony. Alimony is allowance. Who you give allowances to, fellas? Children. I'm not going to give an allowance for a woman to F me over and go to jail. Are you crazy? Huh? Real talk. Real talk, man. I love my children, fellas. Don't make no mistake. I love my children. I love them. I love my children. You see, I say I love my children. Did I say I love my baby mama? No, I didn't say that shit, and I did, huh? That's the big deal. You know what I mean? Fellas, be fruitful in what you do. Stop letting these women trick you off of she wants you to play the emotional game with her. What love got to do with it? Yeah. Exactly. Tina Turner even told y'all what love got to do with it. Right? Jennifer Lopez said, love don't cost nothing. Man, Jennifer Lopez is beautiful, man. Look, that's the type of woman y'all need on y'all team. Y'all need an obedient woman because obedience is better than sacrifice. You know what I mean? You say, my heart is cold now and black now. Hey, man, welcome to the dark side, nigga. Put your heart, like Kiss told me, nigga, put your heart in the cubby hole, nigga. Put your heart up in the cubby hole. Guard it. You know what I mean? Put your foot down. You know what I mean? Hey, you're right. It's a thin line between love and hate. It is. It's a thin line between love and hate, fellas. Because I'm going to tell you something. A woman uses love. She uses your feelings and emotions as her weapon. Because check this out. What happened to Delilah and Samson, that story? That's what y'all should read every night before you go to bed. You should read the Samson and Delilah story, how he loved her so much. She played off his love, and he told her his most intimate secret to his power. And she went and told that dude. That's child support right there. Hey, like he said, facts and freedom, like he says, your emotions has no place in business, fellas. You got to weigh this decision. You got to weigh the pros and the cons. Is this going to be a good decision that I'm making? You gotta look at the fact sheet. Is this $800 worth me giving her to these children? What have she been doing since she had this money? Huh? Look, fellas, look. Check this out. If you don't believe me, I guarantee you, sound like somebody coming on. Hold on. We got somebody coming on. Wait a minute.
Yo,
Yo, okay. Now, man, hey, man, my goddamn throat is dry from doing all this preaching, man.
man, I heard you. I was like, I heard you.
Hey, man, your turn, man. You got the flow, bro. I yield to you. I yield.
So, what are they talking about, man? What are they talking
We're
about?
talking about emotions that sensitivity has no place in business and emotions. Like when you go into court,
Yeah,
you're supposed to be in there negotiating. You ain't supposed to be talking about, oh, this your child. We speaking on things. No. What is if I pay you this $800 or $1,000 a month? What is you gonna do for me?
right.
I yield to you, my brother.
Here's the thing, man. It's simple. There's only one subject matter, and it's a business meeting. You get what I'm saying? You ain't gotta go in there. One is not real law. That's why it's separated from the judicial branch called family law. So what that means is, the district courts gave authority to a bunch of children to run a court-like system to collect the debt, man. All it is a debt collector with his own pseudo judge. Basically, it's a front. We use the term kangaroo courts. Everybody familiar with that? But here's the thing: you cannot go in those courtrooms trying to do some judicial shit. It's not going to work because they don't use real law. They don't use real evidence. You know what I'm saying? They'll use hearsay evidence and call it, done. But the thing is, you have to go in there with a poker face on because all they want to do and all they want to know is who got the most money that they can get from you. And they do credit checks on you and everything. They check your credit and they check your public exemption account, which is your Social Security, because the Social Security, they're taking money out of your Social Security as state funds because Social Security is technically not a bank. You know what I'm saying? So when they get in federal funding from Social Security, which holds everybody's money, you can see where the scheme comes in. So you got to think like a business. They put up this front to get you to argue back and forth with your spouse or whoever while they're calculating your shit. That's all they care about. You
Right.
know what I'm saying? They really have no authority to do anything, nothing, unless you give it to them. You ain't got to go in there with no straw man shit. You ain't got to go in there with no more shit, especially that, because that's some political shit. And courts of all jurisdictions do not deal with political shit unless you have a government that can back you.
Preach
But
it.
all you got to do is go in there with common sense and say fucking no. I'm serious. I'm dead serious. I can't even laugh with y'all because it's that simple. All you got to do in there is go in there and say fucking no. Now, let me tell you something. Stop going there with your emotions. Stop arguing. Oh, that's my child. And they don't care. Actually, they have the custody hearings as a front. Okay. Now, even with the custody hearings, they are as a business meeting. They don't care about your child. They don't care about you. They never show up and give your child birthday gifts. They never show up at your door and say, "Hey, how little Timmy's doing?" Not unless it's CPS trying to kidnap your child. Other than that, they don't care. They don't care. So here's the thing. We all know, they try to get you in there. They have to ask you. Now, for my brothers and even some of my sisters who are on that shit, if you've been on it for a while, you will know they will ask you two things. Two things they will ask you. Forget the birth certificate, whatever. Yeah, they can get you from that. But what you gotta understand is everybody signs a birth certificate, but they're not on child support. Okay? So yeah, that's how the state gets claimed, but there's something else they have to get claim on. All right, signing a birth certificate just gives them one footstep to fuck with you.
Okay, hold up. Let me intervene. I gotta answer this brother. Well, Freedom Facts and Freedom says I catch those bonds and warrants. They kept my ass out of the court. Hell yeah, they not gonna fuck with a nigga like that.
No, 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 no. I'm gonna get to that. I'm gonna get to that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just doing a prerequisite to where I'm about to get to,
Well, now
because
I'm answering somebody's down there, and then he would say they throw you in jail. And then let me intervene for a little bit.
yeah. Tell them about that. Tell them about that.
Let me tell you about jail, fellas. Hey, that's a beautiful thing. They
Yes.
look, I stayed in jail for 30 days. You know what I mean? And people was asking me, do I need to get you out? I said, hell no. You ain't gonna get me out. I'm gonna stand here and I'm gonna conjure up some shit, and that's a wrap. You know what I mean? I went to jail for 30 days for resisting arrest, nigga, not for child support, nigga. You hear me? For fighting for my rights. And you know what? I'm not allowed to go back to jail or the court because they know I got the power to sue they bitch ass. You know what I mean? You gotta have you a plan before you do something.
Well, let me put it in perspective on that note. Every debt collector will threaten you some kind of way.
Shit.
Now, but here's the thing. There are laws against how they threaten you and what they do to you. Same thing with child support. They might threaten to put you in jail. They might threaten to come and just do whatever. Here's the thing. When they do that, and they know, this is why they are hesitant to try to lock people up, because they know they're liable. As long as you contest the contract, you are not showing a willful contempt. A willful contempt is like, fuck you, I ain't paying it. They'll lock your ass up. But as long as you go in there and be like, wait a minute, I don't understand how I owe y'all this because of this. They can't lock you up because you are not willfully not paying. You are willfully contesting it. You know what I'm saying? But here's the thing: if they lock you up, that's a tort. You know what I'm
Well,
saying? They cannot kidnap you.
but this the thing though. Check this out. The guys who worried about jail, your ass ain't gonna get out child what you worry about that little childish shit. You just going on a vacation. You know
Yes.
what I mean? And
Yes.
you better enjoy that vacation. You better make you some connections while you in jail. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right on, man.
You need to make you
Yeah.
some connections while you in jail because jail got the most successful niggas that's in there when they get out. You know what I mean?
As a matter of fact, the district court has even favored jurisdiction to habeas corpus in those situations. So if they lock you up and you are making the argument, then you got to have a claim. If you're making the argument that they violated you against your wishes and your demand, yeah, you file a habeas corpus into the district court, and they'll grant that. Because here's the thing: sometimes you have to let people overstep their boundaries so you can say, "Aha! Now I got you, motherfucker." You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But them threatening you, if they ain't did it yet, that's called the ripeness doctrine. The ripeness doctrine does not give you title to a claim unless it actually happens. Me threatening you is right because I ain't did it yet. So if you try to take them to court and stuff over a threat and they ain't did it yet, you know what I'm saying? Then it's the ripeness. So, it's a business meeting, man. They debt collectors with their own fake judge. As long as you know this, they cannot get you. They need two things from you. They need you to agree to an amount, and they need your paycheck stubs. They need you to say yes. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna tell you something. It's like I was telling my brother Wasil. I said, I be seeing these attorneys sit up in the child support courts because I go up in there and I be scoping around. They'll get you to say, uh, you think you can pay $500? But yeah, I could do that. Okay. And then they'll go on, how's your son doing? See, what they do is they make you forget that you just made an offer. That's an attorney tactic. And I'm looking at dude, I want to say something to dude so bad, but his attorney was right next to him. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to say, dude, did you know what you just did? You just helped her help the court sue you. How much are you paying her? $2,000, $4,000 for this?
Oh man.
Congress has even said, check this out. Congress has even said that attorneys cannot go against the child support welfare laws. Why are people going to attorneys for this? They would get charged for malpractice and get disembarred if they told you anything about the child support system or go against the court. Congress has said this. And why still no? Because I showed them the proof. It's a business meeting, a fucking business meeting. It's optional. You get what I'm saying?
Yep.
It's optional. Say fucking no. I had my nephew go in there. He said, "Fuck you. I don't want to agree to this." They couldn't touch him. They could not touch him. Just because I said go in there and say that, they couldn't do nothing. Of course, he's a beta male, and like all other beta males out there, listen to me very carefully. If you get scared and punk the shit out, they will get you. He got scared and punked the shit out, and they end up getting him. And I'm gonna tell you how he got punked out. He was still in love with his fucking baby mama, and she set him up again.
Hey,
Hello.
hey, man, look. That nigga Kish told me, hey man, Kish told the lawyer, he told the judge, Kish had a lawyer disrespect the judge when he told both of them hell no. And the bitch ran out slamming the goddamn door.
Can't do shit.
Can't do nothing. Can't
If
do
they
nothing.
if they lock you up for saying no, not showing a fucking pay stub, not signing a paternity order, not agreeing to a DNA test, you got their ass. Don't be scared of these motherfuckers. They might try to put you in a jail cell just to scare you. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But I guarantee you won't have any charges on your file.
Hey
You know what I'm
now,
saying? What
put it
charges
like
can
this.
they give you if they never got you in the system?
Right. Right.
This shit's so easy a caveman can do it. Like I said, fuck that straw man shit. They already aware of that. They already have like documents that they pass around to each other. I've seen it. Waiting for anybody to make a straw man claim. They're waiting for anybody to make any more sovereign claims. They're waiting for anybody to make any Albion sovereign claims. They're waiting for you.
Hey, check this out. Now, I was fucking with Kish. When I first started fucking with Kish, how we met and shit, a lawyer in Florida told him this, y'all. Everybody in the chat, listen to this real good. A lawyer told him in Florida, he said, say, man, you're a lawyer, right? He said, yeah. He said, tell me about family law. What's going on? Why do y'all make so much money? He said, because shit, a lot of African American niggas don't read. That's why it's easy to tell these idiots a lie. What's up,
True.
man?
True.
What's up? What's up,
That's
man?
true.
Man, they're lying to y'all. Y'all falling for it.
Family law, real attorneys laugh at family law attorneys. They don't consider that real law. You get what I'm saying? Who's on here? Who we got on? JC and who else? You on here, JC?
Yeah, I'm here, man. I'm listening. You
Oh,
got 2 years. I gotta start using it more and more.
so here's the thing. Me and Wasil, we go through this. You know, I can't even tell you how many times that I've sat up there at the child support division, whatever, and just looked around. You know what I'm saying? Because if you just go in that place, and that's a depressing place, I ain't gonna lie. If you just go in there, sit down, and just pay attention, you will see identity theft. I've seen like some people from uh, over in Africa in there, and they had like this big old copy of this dude's driver's license. I'm like, man, that's identity theft. You get what I'm saying?
Right.
You know, see, we researchers. I don't know about anybody else on YouTube, but I take the time. I go down to the state's vital statistics. I ask for documents. I demand to see documents. That's how I found the rescission form for acknowledge of paternity, because some states had it. I can tell you the exact name of the form and how to get it. They don't want you to know this.
What's
You get
up,
what I'm
man?
saying?
Hey, like I
They're
said, like I say, man, this is Sham Stoppers. We run this shit, dog. We don't sit around and wait for nobody. I said, let me tell you something. When I was going through the child support shit, God blessed me to meet Kish's ass. You know what I mean? Because I was praying and praying. And I was everybody around me was talking about, man, you should pay child support. You should pay child support. Shalom, shalom, man. We will buy it. You should pay child support. Then I met Kish at the gym. And I said, hey, man, what you think about child support? He said, look here, man, let me tell you. He started smiling. You know what I mean? That nigga broke it down to me. We stayed outside for 4 hours, dude. Didn't even know the time talking about it. And then he met me. He cold with the business and shit. That nigga's cold. Then I went to school for this shit. You know what I mean? And bam, there you go. You know what I mean? You get two cats together, man. We put this Sham Stopper shit together, and that was a wrap.
Yep.
No.
And then I met Wasil. Then that was just over because it was like, you know what I'm saying? It's like what I didn't know, I immediately knew. I mean, my library expanded huge. I got 3, 4 bookshelves.
I got
books.
Dude, I got like, you seen what I got, all my books. I got like, I don't even have enough room for my books no more. Fucking with Kish's ass, you know what I mean? Because that nigga got storages of books and shit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You know what? That's a good point. Let me touch on something here. Now, a lot of people are gonna get sensitive when I say this, okay? My Moors, hopefully they understand. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of them don't, and a lot of other people don't. You know what I'm saying? I don't care about your ethnicity, your nationality, whatever. You know, because this is universal knowledge. But listen to me. You have to have books. You cannot find the shit like this on the internet. Those old ass case laws have been updated. They no longer work. Okay? They 50 steps ahead of your ass.
I already go 15. 17, 517. Yeah, my bad.
You know, you count money? No, anyway. But look, what I'm saying is you have to go out and buy these books. These attorneys, these judges, they all still have books. You know, we've been on Cornell Law. We've been searching on Justeel. We did all that. And I'm going to tell you right now, you cannot find the amount of stuff we got in these books. And the Cornell Law, they give you some information, but they don't give you all of it. You know what I'm saying? There was times where we looked up a code on Cornell Law. It stopped at 5. In the book, it goes all the way to 20. You feel me?
Right.
And plus, another thing you got to understand is, unless you have experience in this and constantly read these books and be in the law library, each code, each case law you state, there's a requirement for that. You just can't say, I can't do it. Case law says I can't. No, there's a requirement to that bullshit. You have to read these books, man. You have to read these books. You know.
Look,
I mean,
that nigga Kish got $3,000 worth of books in the storage. All right. Dude, I got a criminal law book that costs $150, dog. And that shit in there, with the shit is in there, yes. They know what's up. They know what time it is. They know what fucking time it is. Nigga, I just ordered a book that was $235.
Like example, how many people we got in the chat room?
We got 23.
23. If I ask anybody in the chat room to tell me what are the requirements for customs, somebody tell me what the requirement is for customs. Yeah,
anybody in the chat, tell us what are the requirements for customs right now.
Customs is a key component, a very key component of how you are able to sue police stations and agencies. If you don't know the requirements of customs, you cannot mention customs.
Yes, customs. Y'all need to go look up customs. You got to learn these customs, baby. You know what I mean? This shit is not on Cornell Law, right?
No, it's not.
This shit ain't on Freedom School.
No, it's not.
This shit ain't on what's that other website people used to use? I used to use that shit in 2008. What's that shit? Guardian. Is it Fam Guardian?
Yeah.
That shit ain't on there either. Dude, I got some shit. Fam Guardian don't even talk. Dude, I'm gonna tell you something. They not gonna give you freedom on the internet, my nigga.
No, they not.
You're gonna have to pay for freedom. And if you ain't finna pay sham stoppers, and if you ain't finna pay with your time, and if you ain't if you ain't finna pay a lawyer, you're gonna pay with your time reading up, because I'm gonna tell y'all something. Whoever is do their due diligence, getting off and cutting all that bullshit off, like them distractions, nigga, you gonna beat child support. You gonna get off child support. Y'all get your ass in these goddamn books.
Right.
You're gonna win, man. I promise you, I guarantee you, I'm not lying, man. I got witnesses. Kish is my witness. Motherfucking Gibra's my witness. JC, you know what I mean? But I don't have no problem with no child support. I have a license. I have all that, man. I have a driver's license.
Oh, you know what? I'm glad you mentioned that, man. Let me step over on my high rock right now. Let me tell you something, man. You have to be careful who the hell you listening to on this internet, okay? Because we listen to everybody. We go to everybody's page and we critically analyze what they're talking about. There's a few people on this YouTube who know what they talking about on the front end. On the back end, we don't really know how much they know, but I'm gonna tell you something. You got look, the revolution shall not be televised. Anybody that's showing you their every move on a video, you don't listen to them, because I'm gonna tell you right now, their move has already been intercepted, because these attorneys, these judges, these politicians are looking at these videos. As soon as somebody upload what they're doing, they make a counter against that. They're expecting you. And let me touch on these boilerplates. In federal law, there's a thing called boilerplating. They are aware of this. When you cannot go to these courts with a template, because I'm gonna tell you what's going to happen. It's called boilerplating, and basically what that is you taking a word for word, copy for copy, and making it your claim. You cannot do that. They do not accept boilerplating, and they can detect that. You know what I'm saying? So you have to have a valid claim that's catered to you. You know, I see a lot of boilerplating because I'm on Pacer a lot, and I look at a lot of cases, and I search for child support cases, and I can pretty much see everybody's child support case on there. So, but a lot of people are using the same template that they get from people. You know, sometimes these templates got like the wrong state on there. I'm like, oh, we know you copy somebody else's shit. You know what I'm saying?
Right,
Uh,
right.
you can't. Let me tell you something, man. You can't use boilerplates. You don't follow somebody's technique that they're airing out to the world publicly. The move has already been intercepted. They already ready for you.
Somebody said, "W." Hey, and I'm gonna
Hey,
let me lab on that. Hey man, I'm watching everybody's channel, man. You know what I mean? And I don't say nothing. I don't, because I know one thing. I never called anybody out. Only person I called out, y'all already knew how I called out. You know what I mean? When I first came on YouTube, and I gave the other brother who was on YouTube for a long time, you know what I mean? And I don't hate nobody on here, bro. That ain't my intent. My intent is for all y'all to tell these hoes, hell no, and be free. What's up? That's our goal, man.
Let me tell you something, man. In reality, this YouTube thing, man, is all entertainment. You might see, different YouTubers, whatever, beef and whatever on this child support thing. Let me tell you something, it's all entertainment. It's never personal. Anybody who takes this personal needs to get off YouTube. Yeah, we might talk bad about the other guy. They might talk bad about us, but it's all entertainment. You know what I'm saying? It's you, the audience, who has to use your discernment on how you receive this information. But while we on here and you're listening, I'm gonna tell you right now, you better be real critical of who you're listening to. And see, people like, they doubt when we say sham stoppers. Look, we're a force not to be reckoned with. Let me tell you something. I ain't gonna call out no names or give up any body's position. But look, we got people who are deep in the system who study this shit. You know what I'm saying? We got people who's good in network security, whatever. Because I'm gonna tell you right now, we can get information on anybody. I don't care who you are. You call out sham stoppers, we can find out who you are, where
ok,
you
Max
live.
está abajo, la verdad está abajo, Max, tienes que abrirlo.
what you look like.
Están en un chat con esto. El chavo de Austin. Como que se pegó mucho conmigo.
Jose.
Who's my Cuban brother speaking? Who is that?
Hey, you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry. Hey, I thought I muted it. Let me. You hear
Hey
me
man.
still?
Hey,
Can you hear me
don't
still?
don't eat it, man. Don't eat it, man. Don't let her talk you into eating it, man. I heard you.
You still hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. My bad. Let me see.
But yeah, let me. Oh yeah. Like Cody GT 50 said, hey, yeah, don't forget about the league. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't want to say them niggas. I don't want to get them niggas no fire on this motherfucker. You know what I mean? Because we're gonna
No.
start doing this shit every Sunday, my nigga. If the gods say the same, Almighty Creator say the same. You know what
Yeah.
I mean? Because we're gonna come out with a fire ass topic next Sunday. You know what I mean?
Hey, is anybody in the chat? Anybody got any questions?
Anybody got any questions? What's up? Anybody got any questions in the chat?
Speak
Anybody?
now, forever hold your peace. If you got
The
a
time is
question,
now, guys. The time is now because what these fellas are telling you right here is true. You know that YouTube is not a platform to be your school. YouTube is a platform to be entertained by.
right?
So be very careful and filter the information. I've been there. I've been what is it? I've been following some of these people, and just to their point, right? Some people here that have bashed on Brother Wasil, they have asked me personally for information and my paperwork and all that stuff, and some of them try to use it. So, and then they go out there and they expose it. They get a definition and they think they learn something, and then they'll try to go and sell it to you guys. That's why these guys are trying to warn you to be very careful out there, man, because everybody else is watching. Like these people in the system, they're watching. They're trying to see how to counter it because they want to make sure that they don't lose. When you show up out there, they want to make sure that they beat you at the game.
Right.
Absolutely.
Right, preach it, my brother. You know what I mean? Um, what
No
else?
questions.
Ain't nobody got no questions, huh?
Maybe they already know everything. Maybe we just got a bunch of attorneys on here and they just listen and try and get information.
No, they have to have questions. I mean, I even still have questions, so they have to have questions. So if you don't ask it right now, I mean, this is your time to
Okay,
ask
well
about
look,
these things,
let me
man.
let me let me lace them up. Let me lace y'all up. It's so important to have a business because you have different streams of income. Okay, he said, what book? What book you laugh out loud? Man, get you a business book. Any kind of business book, business law. Check this out. Um, it's important to have your own business so you won't be on that slave plantation, a wage slave. Okay,
Right.
you know what I mean? It's so important, man. Y'all can have like 6 or 7 streams of income. You got to learn how to. You can learn how to paint, sew, all types of shit. I do. I know how to sew. I know how to paint. I know how to cut yards. I know how to fix on diesels. I know how to fix on cars. I know how to breed dogs. I know how to do a lot of shit, man. Because whoever know how to do a lot of shit, whatever you good at, you make a business out of it. Wherever.
True. Facts.
If you know how to paint, you sell that artwork. You know what I mean?
Yep.
It's important to have a business, fellas. Stop depending on somebody to give you a fucking job. Because in the book of John, in the 7th chapter, first verse said, a man's life is warfare on this earth. So if you always depending on somebody to give you something, it's going to be war. Your life is going to be his war playground. You hear me? Y'all got to hustle, sell some plates. Hey, check this out. Y'all can sell some plates.
Yep.
Y'all can sell some. If y'all know how to cook, sell some plates by $10. You know what I mean? Be like these church. Make you some pies. Learn how to make you some cakes or something. God damn it! Do learn something.
A fucking lemonade stand or something.
Lemonade stand, car wash. See, I give it up to the Hispanic people. They know how to stick together, but us niggas, you know what I mean? Niggas don't want to do right. They want to hate on each other because there's too much money out here to be hating on each other and blaming the white man for every goddamn thing. The white man ain't doing shit to you. Okay?
Right, right.
I'm
The only thing he did was put the distractions in front of you and you grabbing it like a dummy.
No, I like the white man because he made this thing called getting your business. And hey, man, like I say, get y'all a business. And I'm so tired of saying it. Get you a business, and you won't have to deal with post support, host support. Child support is host support. Okay,
Yep.
get you a business, get you some money, and keep it to yourself. Don't show your personal income, your all that to somebody. You know what I mean? Unless they finna sign for $1 million check.
Yep.
Y'all learn some skill sets. If you're good at clipping toenails, learn how to clip toenails and charge for that too.
That's right.
Whatever you do, you charge people. Don't do no free shit. Cause it's a free. Look at your baby mama. She wants something for free. And I know it's a lot of guys out here. There's a lot of gangsters out here say, man, I ain't paying your bitch. I'll kill you. I ain't paying no child support. You know what
That's
I mean?
right.
I wasn't like that. I ain't tell my baby mamas I'd kill you if you put me on child support. I told them I'd hurt them if something happened to my daughters because they in their care. Okay? Because we gotta get out of here and get some money, fellas. You gotta
They
have
almost set you up too to do something to her. It's like they want you to do something to her just
yeah,
so they
fellas.
can come and get you.
Look, y'all can get on eBay and sell shit. Man, y'all can do anything. Uber. You don't even have to do Uber. You can give people rides yourself, man. You know that?
But here's the thing. Look, as long as you keep trying to be cool with your baby mama, she gonna keep reporting what you do. She gonna give up all your secrets, where you working, what you selling. She's your fucking enemy. If she puts you on that thing where they take away your constitutional rights and your liberties and put you in some shit that's a slave, look, she's your enemy. Fuck that shit. You need to stop falling in love with her. You need to stop fucking with her. She's bad energy.
Dude,
You
let
need
me
to.
intervene on that. Check this out. Y'all listen to me real good. If y'all don't hear nothing else. You know it's supposed to be 7 women to one man. Why
Hmm.
why is y'all tripping? Because I know y'all in this chat room, y'all done played at least about 1 or 2 women at the same time. What did you tripping? Go back the way you was. Y'all tripping. You know what I mean? A man's supposed to have look, a man's supposed to have at least about 7 women.
That's right.
I'm telling you the truth, man. I'm not lying, man. Because if you go to these corner store, I'm mailing them. I got 7 wives. I can't believe you let your bitch do you like that. He'll tell you that. He'll tell you that. You know what I mean? The Bible say a woman supposed to be your helpmate. So how you gonna get screwed over the help? Man, I'm through talking. Man,
Right. You know what? Peace to all my Hebrew Israelites out there, and I'm saying this because they know that doctrine way too well where a woman's place need to be. You know what I'm saying? I give it to them for that. They know where a woman's place need to be, and they quick to speak on that. You know what I'm saying? True. If you're a true Israelite, you can't be feminized. If you're a true Israelite, you can't be feminized. But what I'm saying is, you cannot compromise. You cannot be cordial with your baby mama as long as she got you in that system. She don't trust you and she wants to get free money from you, she will keep on putting you in that system. She's a child. She's either a child, she's vindictive, she's really trying to hurt you. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, it's common sense. It's common sense. You got these dudes out here talking about, yeah, baby, look, I got me a new job. I drive for Uber now. She gonna go back and tell them fucking people. Then what you gonna do? You gonna get emotional because you was emotional trying to be cordial with her. Man, forget that, man. I've seen too many women in them child support courts and in them lobbies talking behind the dude's back on what they gonna do. And then the dude comes in kissing on them. Yeah, baby, yeah, let's do this. I'm like, you dumbass motherfucker. I know y'all don't like hearing this. I know I know a lot of y'all want to respect the woman, say the woman is God, whatever, and all this other bullshit. But I'm gonna tell you, she's warring against your ass, your pockets, and your freedom. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know how else to explain it. You get what I'm saying? I mean, knowledge is power, and they expecting you come in being ignorant, not knowing what to talk about, how to talk. If you're going there talking like you don't know how to talk, how to speak, talking about, hey, bro, I ain't do it, man. Look, they just gonna look right over you. It's a business meeting. You gotta dress accordingly. You gotta talk the language. If you don't know how to talk the language, read a book. It'll teach you how to talk the language. You get what I'm saying? I mean, this stuff is simple. You know, I've seen, like I said, I'd be on Pacer. I'd be looking at all these court cases and seeing all these people failing. You know, all because they don't know how to state a claim and they're being emotional with their baby mama. I mean, this is real. People think we playing when we talk about the baby moms, and in some cases it be the dudes too, but majority of it's women. You know, I mean, what else you want me to say? Does anybody have any questions? This is like Dr. York moment. Anybody have any freaking questions? Do we have any questions on?
About the business stuff. I just I just want to bring something up. I put in the chat, and I think I want to make sure I emphasize this. If anybody gets a business, keep it private. Don't go
Yes.
don't go brag about it. Don't tell anybody, because remember, what you have, other people want.
Hey,
Well,
let me intervene. Let me hit you with something.
Yeah.
Y'all ready for this? Y'all listen to me real good, and people in the chat, listen to me real good. I told you I went to school for paralegal studies and that old bullshit. I went and I showed you the transcripts and all. We all know hip hip hooray, but fuck that. But anyway, check this out. Check this out. When I met that little nigga Kish, you know what I mean? When I met him, do you know he younger than all of us in this chat room and on this platform? Did y'all know
Hmm.
that? Do you know this nigga is a business owner? Not just one, not just two, not just three, not just four, not just five, not just six, not just seven, not just eight, nine. This nigga got nine businesses. This dude was wealthy, rich when I met him. So what I'm trying to tell you, you can when you listen to people who have something, that means the laws of attraction, you're gonna start having something. You can't mess with somebody who ain't got nothing or who broke. You know what I mean?
mm-hmm.
So this is a young brother who is rich. Not just rich, but wealthy in wealth and knowledge as well. He's young, he's beautiful. You know what I mean? He got a beautiful a clan. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna tell y'all something. He the reason why I got these books. And truth be told, it's more than $3,000 worth of books in the goddamn storage. I'm gonna hit y'all. I'm gonna go and tell y'all the truth. It's $30,000 worth of books in his storage. All right,
Mm-hmm.
that I know of personally. All right, so I'm just telling y'all, man, you gotta have a business to whoop up on this child support stuff. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna tell you something. My mama just told me. She said back in the day, her dad wasn't no child support. And you know how gangster my mama is. She didn't put my dad on child support when they used to separate. Had they little falling there. I call them skirmishes. They had a little separation. But she know my mama told me I expect by my mama. She said, "Look, your daddy get his money. I gotta go get me a job and get some money too. I ain't gonna depend on your daddy money. Now, if you ain't got a woman like that, fella, you ain't got shit.
And that's how my mama was. My daddy told me, he's like, your mother never put me on child support or nothing. And she didn't. My daddy didn't even sign my birth certificate. That's how he knew. You
So
get what I'm saying?
so what I'm saying, y'all fellas, don't hate. I ain't saying to hate your baby mama. Just cut them off.
Cut them off.
Cut them off. You know what I mean? To bury that in the sand. That's dead. Ain't no coming back to that. You know what I mean? Question is, I got married in 1990 and divorced in 95. So do I need to go by the laws or so-called laws in 95? I ain't giving you no legal advice. What you need to do is, my brother, go to the state law library. Go to the law library, you know what I mean? Or if not, go to the county where you live in and go get them books, bro. And I promise you'll be having your answer. And when you find it, you gonna hit us up like, damn, thanks, bro.
What he asked if an old divorce law still applies today.
Yeah,
Uh, it's a contract, dude. The
thank you.
contract that was enforced then is what's being enforced now,
Yeah. So it's a
unless they update it.
yeah, that's a contract. Everything we do in this country are contracts, either oral or written.
And guess what the prefix of contract is?
What?
Con.
Oh, you hitting them with some game, brother.
Yeah. See, today they
You
tell you con means to have an agreement or a debate, but we know what con means.
Let me hit y'all with some more esoteric shit. You ready for this, y'all? Y'all listening?
Oh, that's etymology.
Y'all ready? Contract. What happens when you don't use a condom and you didn't know this girl ain't had no AIDS or HIV? That means you contracted a disease. What's up?
Uh-huh. These
What's up?
words, man, these words will tell you everything.
These words, I'm gonna tell you something. These words are spells because when y'all was in high school, well, not high school, when y'all was in elementary, y'all had this thing called spelling test, right? So you need these words to cast what? Spells. That's why it's a spelling test. And one of the brothers in the chat room can tell you that. We talked about this a long time ago. He got the dog avatar on there. I don't know if he's still there, but we used to chop it up all the time. But like I say, man, contracts. Everything is dealt with contract. And if one party ain't performing the contract, then hey, and 9 times out of 10, a woman ain't a disobedient woman ain't gonna perform the contract. Okay, she ain't gonna live up to that contract until her. Don't judge a woman by her words, judge her by her action. And I ain't say kill women, you don't have to do that. Just don't leave dirty women alone.
Yes.
Okay? Leave them alone.
If she ain't got nothing, leave her alone.
She's not even worth. She's not even worth arguing about or fighting, fellas. I guarantee you, because I'm telling you something. It's a woman out there that will love your dirty draws and do what you tell her to do because she know one thing, she stay in her lane. And I'm telling you, fellas, if y'all keep pushing, everybody in the chat room, if y'all dealing with stuff, y'all keep pushing.
Yes.
Y'all give up. Yeah, Mark, spelling is spells where you read can put you under a spell. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. You know what I mean? So I don't want to be ranting and raving all night long, man. Thank y'all for coming, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. We're gonna do some more stuff. Try to do this every night, not every night, every Sunday night. And then I'm gonna hit y'all with a video once a week because I know y'all get tired of the cussing and stuff, but I just want y'all to, I want to hear some more victories. I don't even care if you get my services or get somebody else's services. We want to hear some. I want to see some victories, man. Because for one, it's making this country strong. Because if we were to get invaded right now, we would lose.
Yep.
Okay. Just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind because ain't nobody holding you back. It's you holding you back. Not me. Not Gilbert. Not Kish. Not JC. Not none of these guys. Not none of these guys. I mean, none of these fellas, but like I say, man, y'all don't have to pay child support. You don't. It's
Nope.
all voluntary. Everything is voluntary. What you do over here in this country, you know, and they way to get you. They get you by deception. They gonna now who in the hell gonna say, yeah, I pay child support? Yeah, I don't mind paying child support.
Mm-hmm.
And for the fellas that tell me that when you call, if you know about it, I don't mind paying child support, but I love I want to see my. Not, that ain't got nothing to do with you seeing your kids. You got
Nope.
to get out here and get your business started, my brother. You need to be building for your generation. You need to be doing that because I know child's supposed to be. I went under my dad as a youngster. Okay, so much. So, like I say, fellas, anybody got anything? Any questions? Anything to say?
I have a question for everybody. So, who here would be ready to defend against an invasion?
Nobody.
Like, if you're not ready to defend for invasion, that's why you're paying child support.
Yep.
That, that's all I gotta say on that one.
We get invaded every day domestically, and people can't even do anything about that.
Hey,
Yes,
y'all.
sir.
This is Sham Stopper's motto. Don't start no shit, won't be none.
Yes, sir.
And we stopping the bullshit before it starts.
Because
Okay?
he who starts shit has no what?
Defense.
That's right.
She has no defense. A woman don't have no claim to none of your stuff unless you voluntarily give it to her. You know what I mean? So let me see. Anybody have any more questions before we shut this thing down at 10? We've been going on. You know what I mean?
How many still in the chat room?
20.
Okay.
Still rolling. Thank y'all, 20. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Contract.
it'll get more. It'll get more. You
Remember,
know.
remember contracts. You can contract the disease. Okay? Look, and check this out. And all contracts are not binding.
Nope.
You know what I mean? They want to trick you and say it's binding. How is it binding? I'm gonna tell you where I learned that from. When I first started, I learned that from a guy Carl Lent when I was listening when he was saying, you know what I mean? He said contract is not binding. So I went and found that shit, and and it was true. A contract is not binding. It's only binding when you two draw it up together,
Yep.
not when somebody else draw it up, and then you come and you went around when they made the shit. You know what I mean? So child support is not binding. All y'all can get off child support if you own child support, and if you not, hey, man, may the Almighty Creator continue to bless you, start you some businesses. Y'all be much successful, man. You know what I mean? Uh, I don't hate nobody on no YouTube thing. I'm not on here to war with nobody. You know what I mean? We put up 1,000 books up. You know, shouts out to all the guys that's doing the YouTube. I mean, the child support YouTube thing. I ain't got no hate, no animosity because I got shit to do. You know what I mean?
Right.
I got shit to do. I don't waste my time on skirmishes and arguing with nobody. It's a waste of time, you know. But we want you to be encouraged and join the dark side, man. Start telling people no.
You learn to say no when you're 2 years old, right? No.
I wonder why they don't tell y'all no anymore. Remember they used to say just say no?
Yep.
Well, we down with that campaign over here. You know what I mean? Shit. We got some more testimonies coming. Exactly. All parts must be disclosed when you signing the contract. Everything's supposed to be brought up. Hey man, you'll go to jail. So I'm gonna go to jail because I won't give you no money. Nigga, what? That sound like some crackhead shit.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like extortion to me.
Right.
And what they do is usually after you sign and
Peace,
agree to
brother.
stuff, they'll give you a piece of paper with the disclosure on it. Like if you don't pay, you could. It's like no, it don't work like that.
Right.
It don't work like that unless you have a physical contract that lists the terms and conditions. That's fraud in the factor, man. That's fraud. I mean, it's everything. It's not valid. You know, there's three words. There's three words I want everybody to know, and some of you already know it. That it's adhesion, it's quasi contract, and there's unconscionable. You know what I'm saying? But you know, I'll leave y'all with this, man. You this is the big one. The big one that get everybody into the failure mode. You have to be able to know how to state a claim. Okay? You know, you got to go back in time. You got to recap everything they said to you, what they did, how they threatened you, because you got to state a claim. That's the biggest thing that people end up falling on. You get what I'm saying? I can't stress this enough. You have to state a claim against an individual, not the agency. You know what I'm saying? An agency is just a corporation of people. Who in that freaking agency did you harm? Start naming people. Ask for names. Because I'm personally getting tired of seeing people's claims go through the court system and only to get dismissed because they don't know how to write what happened to them. Don't just state what they can do by policy. State what happened to you.
Well, we finna leave y'all with that, my brothers. We signing off. Hope y'all had a good night. Peace.
Holla.